study how to find out the fractions on a number line. So here look at the picture. Ramya's brother draws a model representing the distance from the home to school and some nearby places on a number line. So here, how will you represent the stationery shop that half kilometer away from our home? So Ramya's house is half kilometer away from our home, and you want to represent that half 1/2 in a number line. So here look at the textbook. To find half on a number line, divide the distance from 0 to 1 in two equal parts. So we draw one number line and mark 0 to 1 in your number line. Okay, so we can mark half in a number line. So we already studied how to represent a fraction using picture. We already studied how to represent half in a figure. So here 1/2, that is half. So we can mark in a picture or figure, that is half mean one portion is shaded. So you can shade one portion. This way you can find out, represent using picture. Same way you can find out using number line. So first we can draw one number line and mark 0 to 1 in a number line. Okay, that is 0 to 1 means here how many portions are there? 2 portions. So you can divide this 0 to 1 into 2 equal parts. Okay, so 2 equal parts, that is here this is 2 portions. So here 2 portions, and 1/2 you can mark as here. So here to here is half kilometer. So we can mark as half here. Okay, 1/2. Okay, understand? That is 1/2 means here 2 portions. So you can divide this number in 2 equal parts. Okay, then 1/2 means 1 portion is here. It is half. So half in a number line. This way you can represent the half on a number line. We can do one more question. Next, you can represent 3/4 on a number line. So here we can mark 0 to 1 in a number line. 0 to 1. That is, we studied whole means full. So here 0 to 1 full. Then 3/4. So here 4. Here is 4. So you divide this number line into 4 equal parts. That is, here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. Then you can mark 3/4. That we already know 3 portions want to shade. Same way you can here this is 1 portion, then 2, 3. So we can mark this third one. This is 3/4. Okay, this way you can mark in a number line. I hope you understand. I show one more example. Next question, 2/5. So you can mark 0 to 1 in number line. Here is 0 and here 1. Here 2/5. So 5 we can divide this number line into 5 equal parts. Okay, that is 5 means here denominator is 5. So we can divide this number line into 5 equal parts. That is using scale you can mark. Okay, then you can divide into equal parts. So using scale you can mark using centimeter. That is easy. So here I didn't take scale. Without scale simply mark. When you are doing in your notebook you use scale and mark. Okay, so here 1. Here I mark. This is 1 portion. 2, 3, 4, 5. Then divide into 2 equal parts means here 1, 2. So here the answer is 2/5. Okay, so the answer is here I mark 2/4 here. This way you can mark in a number line. Okay. Next we can do the textbook activities. Page number 4. Here write the fractions indicated by the green rows. That is here 0 to 1 in number line. So you can mark the fractions. How will you mark the fractions? Here you count how many portions is divided. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this number line is divided into 5 equal parts. Then here this is 1, this is 2. So here 2/5 and here is 3/5. So this way you can mark in a number line. Okay, same way you can represent this fraction using number line. That is here 4/5. So you divide the number line into 5 equal parts. Then you mark 4/5. Okay. Next 1 by 7 on a number line. That is, you divide this number line into 7 equal parts and mark 1 by 7. Okay. Next, represent 2/5 in the given figures. 2/5 means 2 by 5. So here you mark 2 by 5 in the these pictures. You already studied that is 2 by 5 means 2 portions want to shade it. Same we can do this also. Okay. Next we can study types of fractions. We are going to learn the types of fractions. So we can divide the fractions into according to the numerator and denominator. Okay. So fractions are divided into two, proper fractions and improper fractions. Then proper fractions again divide into two, unit fractions and non-unit fractions. Okay. So improper fraction is divided into one, that is mixed fraction. So I will explain each one. Okay. Next one, proper fraction. In proper fraction, the numerator is always less than the denominator. So the numerator, which is numerator? 1 is numerator and 4 is denominator. So in proper fraction, numerator is less than the denominator. That is, numerator will be smaller number and the denominator will be bigger number. Such fractions are called proper fractions. Okay. The numerator is always less than the denominator. Such fractions are called proper fractions. Okay. The next one, unit fraction. Unit fraction, the numerator is equal to 1. In unit fraction, the numerator is equal to 1. So here, look at the example 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 7. All numerator are 1. So, such fractions are called unit fraction. Okay. The numerator is equal to 1. Such fractions are called unit fraction. Next one is improper fraction. The numerator is always greater than the denominator. So here in this fraction, the numerator is always greater than the denominator. So here the numerator will be bigger number and denominator will be smaller number. So such fractions are called improper fractions. Mixed fractions. A fraction that is a combination of whole number and a proper fraction. So here, proper fraction, we studied what is proper fraction. The numerator is always less than the denominator. So this is proper fraction and this is whole number. So 1, 1 by 4, 3, 4 by 5, 2, 7 by 9. This type of fractions are called mixed fractions. Okay. So once again I will explain. First one is proper fraction. The numerator is always less than the denominator. Such fractions are called proper fractions. Next one, unit fraction. The numerator is equal to 1. So such fractions are called unit fraction. Next, improper fraction. The numerator is always greater than the denominator. Okay. Next, mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is a fraction that is a combination of whole number and a proper fraction. This type of fraction is called mixed fractions. Okay. And do the textbook activities, page number 6. Tick the correct column for the given fractions. One is done for you. That is 1 by 12. That is unit fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. We already studied. So here unit first is 1 by 12. 1 by 12 is unit fraction, proper fraction. That is 1 by 12 I told if the numerator is 1, that fraction is called unit fraction. So here the numerator is 1 by 12. So the answer unit fraction also. Then proper fraction. What is proper fraction? That is numerator is less than denominator. So here the numerator is less than denominator. Okay, this numerator 1 and 12 is denominator. So numerator is less than denominator. So this fraction is also called proper fraction. So we can tick 2 column. Same way here, next also 6 by 15. So you find out which are the fractions are there. Unit fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. Here 6 by 15 is numerator is less than denominator. This is also proper fraction. Okay. Next one is 3 by 3 1 by 8. So 3 1 by 8 which fraction? You find out, okay? This way you can do other questions also. Okay. Then next page number 7. Write true or false. 3 4 by 5 is a mixed fraction. So here 3 4 by 5 is a mixed fraction. Is it is mixed fraction or not? That is mixed fraction we studied. That is first number is whole number and 4 by 5. So you mark as true. Same way you can do next 1 by 8 is a unit fraction. Every proper fraction is a unit fraction. You can read this question and write true or false. Okay, if any doubt, I will explain in the live class also. Okay, if this picture represent a wall, then which of the figures represent its half? Tick correct option. So imagine this picture is a wall. Wall means full part. So then what is the half of this picture? You can mark. Okay. You watch video and do the activities in the textbook.